Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to who's ever watching this at whatever time you're watching this. We are finally on day 26 of our Vlogmas here in the month of December. And I honestly did not think I was going to be filming this video because I completely forgot about it. But we're going to be unboxing my December Boxy Luxe. It's upside down. I don't even care. This just got delivered. I completely forgot that I paid for this. Which I guess is a good thing for Boxycharm because since I forgot, they could have technically just gotten away with like taking my $50 and I never would have noticed. So we're gonna go ahead and find out what we got in here and see if it's actually even worth it at this point. So let's get started. Alrighty guys, so I am having a very, very lazy day. It is the day after Christmas and I hope everybody had a very beautiful Christmas. Hopefully you guys got to get some presents or spend time with family or Zoom with family, whatever worked out for you guys. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas. I had a great time cooking dinner for my family, FaceTiming my sister. However, Christmas Day was a little hectic. We woke up in the middle of the night to Koa getting sick, which was, you know, it is what it is. It's a dog. But then when we actually looked at his face, his whole face was completely swollen. So we did have to rush him to the emergency vet. And I got really scared because I was like, oh my God, it's Christmas Day. Is there anything even open? And luckily there was. And he had to get some shots. We don't really know what he's allergic to. We do know that he has an allergy. And I know that our primary vet said that most dogs can be allergic to corn, beef, or chicken. It's just a matter of narrowing it down and trying out different foods to see what works best for him. We always thought he had a chicken allergy, but I guess turkey falls under poultry and I let him have a little bit of turkey and maybe he had an allergic reaction. I don't know, but his face got so poofy. And y'all, let me tell you, I was in hysterics. I was very upset. I was crying. So we haven't really like left his side and Kaya's side because she didn't know what was going on. So while Christmas was very beautiful, it was also very stressful, but you know, it's the year 2020. So needless to say, I need a lazy day. I need a lazy day to clean up my apartment and just relax. And so yeah, I did not feel like doing anything to my hair or put on makeup. So all I did was brush my brows, throw on a lip gloss, and put setting powder on. That's the most you're gonna get out of me today. You know, but you know what? I feel like we're such good friends, which is really crazy because like even if we weren't wearing masks, I was typically the type of person I hated going out in public with like nothing on my face. I was like hideous, but like I have no problem going on camera in front of like 32,000 people with no makeup on. I'm like, I don't even care because like, you know, you guys are lucky and blessed. So there's that. But yeah, so I hope you guys all had a great Christmas. I do intend to film some pretty long videos coming up here soon. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'm really scared to film one video only because I know it's going to be a really long video and it's has me something to do with like palettes and influencers. So hopefully you guys like those videos. They are going to take longer to film, longer to process. So I'm hoping to get them up to finish up the new year. So yeah, if you guys are okay to see an hour-long video from me, please let me know in the comments below so I know how to film these properly. But with that said, we're going to go ahead and dive into our Boxy Luxe right here. I actually got an email from Boxycharm earlier this month stating that I didn't get my choice item for Boxy Luxe. They were so sorry about that. They were going to ship it separately and that they were going to add an additional item in here to make up for it. They like never send out items that they say they're going to. Like I've never gotten an item that they say they're going to. I don't even bother emailing customer service because that's just a whole other video. But yeah, I don't know what's going to be in here. I don't remember what my customization was. I do remember though that I did do my PR unboxing of this and I remember I did not care for my Boxy Luxe. I thought it was actually pretty shitty. So this is going to be a whole new unboxing for me because I do not remember what I got in that box. I do remember that a lot of the items already got put into my No Waste Wednesday that I currently have going on here right now on my channel. My No Waste Wednesday is live until this coming up Wednesday, December 30th. And I'm giving away a whole bunch of products here on YouTube as well as Instagram. So I'll make sure I'll link that video down below so you guys can go check out to see how you guys can enter. But yeah, I might end up just throwing more contents from this box in there and or just saving it for January. We shall find out. But if you guys don't already know, Boxy Luxe is every 3 months you get charged $50 and you're supposed to get 6 to 8 full-size items with a retail value of over $200. So we're gonna see what we got because It's like a Christmas gift. It literally got delivered this morning, and I was like, oh my god, did Boxycharm send me a Christmas gift? And then I was like, oh no, it's my Boxyluxe. Not a Christmas gift from Boxycharm. All right. So we have our little insert card right here for bubbles and glitz. The first thing that I see is the Zara earrings right here. I actually did receive these in my previous Boxyluxe box. I actually like them. You guys did let me know down in the comments below that these will turn your ears green. Like over time, they'll turn your ears green. I've only worn them twice. They are pretty comfortable. I do think they're really cute. You can ask Corey. I have told Corey, I think our entire relationship, that I've always wanted to have real diamond earrings, like studded diamond earrings. That's my goal, like in life, is to one day purchase that for myself. So I liked these. I thought these were super cute, but you guys did say over time it will turn green. So I do want to like let anyone know if you guys have any sort of if you guys have any sort of sensitivity to, I guess, fake jewelry. This might not be the best for you, but I mean, I'm still gonna put this in my No Waste Wednesday just because I already own the pair. I don't need to have two, and I don't really wear earrings that often. So yeah, but they're really cute. Next, there is this Luxy Brush Set right here. Oh, these earrings, my bad. These earrings retail for $36. I actually have a price on here. So next we have the Luxy Glitter and Gold Brush Set. This retails for $85. I actually kept mine because I thought they were super cute, and I really actually do love Luxy brushes. I think Luxy brushes are quite fantastic. I do think they're underrated, but they're such good quality. Like, I think people really need to check them out more. But I'm going to add this to my No Waste Wednesday because I already do have it, but I really do like this pack because when you open up, it actually rolls out like an actual like professional MUA brush set, which I think is so freaking cute to have. It did have a very strong like paint, like spray paint smell to it. I didn't like the smell. I let mine air out, but it had like a really bad, like, you know, freshly, you just spray paint, and you're just like huffing it away. So hopefully somebody enjoys it. It's a whole kit. It rolls out. It makes you feel like a professional MUA. It's actually really nice. I feel like this is going to be a quick video. All right, so next I'm just going to stick my hand in here. I didn't mean to make that face. I'm sorry. We have this Hot Mess Rocking Cosmetics. This is the Hot Mess Threesome Glitter Gel Pens. It retails for $40. You do get 3 shades in here. I added those to my No Waste before because I am just not a big fan of like eye pencils like this. I've never been a big fan like this. Whenever I see something like this style, I'm instantly brought back to like my early like high school, middle school days of like when you get like this like in white and you just like draw it all over your lid and you're like, I am the shit. Like that's what it reminds me of. They're just not for me. I've seen people like actually swatch these and say they didn't swatch very well. They wouldn't necessarily use it. So I am going to go ahead and pass this along. Hopefully whoever does gets a use out of it. I mean, if not, I'm sure these can make like little great coloring pencils. You can just, you know, go in a coloring book with it. $4 coloring pencils. All right. Next we have this. Ooh, this is a Frank Body Glow Mask. This is caffeinated. And I get like energy from it. Okay, so this is a moisturizing face mask that is natural and ultra hydrating. It works to reduce puffiness and give skin extra life, glow, and brightness. It's perfect for pre-makeup, late nights, and morning afters. It's natural, cruelty-free, and only takes 5 minutes to work. It retails for $21.95. So it has goji berries. It has shea butter, and it has Coffee Awakens. Well, I'll tell you what, coffee has not awakened me yet. I need it to. All right, that's cool. Never heard of it, but I'm always down to give a face mask a try. I'm not the biggest fan of face masks. It's for glow. So maybe not. We shall see what I do with this one, but it's a nice, decent size, I feel like, for a face mask. All right, next we do have, where's the lid? All right, next we do have this Reza Be Obsessed Leave-In Hair Conditioner. This retails for $22, and I actually did like this spray because it's supposed to like give you gold reflex, like you're supposed to glitter like a vampire in the sun, and I think that's actually really cool. I kept mine for myself, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this to the No Waste Wednesday as well. It smelled really good, but when you walk on the sun, just be beware because people are gonna be like, oh my god, vampires are real when they see you in the sun. So just be very careful about wearing it, but It's not bad. Okay, so next we have this hip dot palette right here. Again, this is just gonna be added into my No Waste Wednesday. So this retails for $30. This is the Side Note Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. When you open it up, it's full of greens, a little bit of gold, and mostly blues. It's supposed to represent like the Mexican waters that are absolutely gorgeous. So it's a really cool palette. I have not played around with this, so I couldn't tell you like how the formula is. The only two palettes I played with, one I didn't care for, but the SpongeBob one I thought was fantastic. So I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, add this to my No Waste Wednesday because I just generally don't need to have two of the same palettes. Well, no, needed more palettes, but yeah. Okay, so next we have this iconic face palette. This retails for $55. I already had two of these from Boxyluxe and Boxypremium, so this is gonna be added into No Waste Wednesday again, just because it's just not for me. I'm gonna get yelled at for doing this, but ew, gross, I opened it. But here we have the face palette. Again, they just seem like they're such dark shades, so it just wouldn't necessarily work for me, but hopefully somebody out there gets a good use out of it. I'm definitely gonna save this one for sure for my January. I think everything you see right here will just go straight into my January unboxing, but yeah. Okay, last but not least, we do have this Sunday Riley all-in-one lactic acid treatment. This retails for $85. And I got yelled at last time I swatched this, and I was like, oh my God, Karen, you aren't giving it a chance. Like, give it a chance, you'll love it. So Karen here, Karen speaking. I left it on my hand for a long time to really see how it works, and it made my hand greasy. It made my hand oily, and I have very, very oily skin. I don't need to accentuate the oil. Like I have great products that helps to combat the oiliness, to keep my face nice and moisturized. And I know Sunday Riley is a really good brand, but unfortunately this product just isn't for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add this to my No Waste Wednesday. I hate that it doesn't have a lid, like it doesn't come in here at all. I think the reason why that way is so that you could not resell it. I think people are notorious for reselling their Boxycharm items, so I think they put like the most expensive ones in something like this so you can't resell it on purpose. I was told in my email that I'd be receiving an additional item in here, and I did not receive an additional item in here. So Boxycharm lied to me. I'm not surprised. I think people think that because I'm on Boxycharm's PR list that I have some sort of connection with Boxycharm. Y'all, I don't. I think I am a part of a team, but the company doesn't know who I am. Like the people who run the affiliate programs, I think they're the ones who know who I am. But I get emails and DMs all the time. Can you please reach out to Boxycharm and ask them about this, and that? Guys, I have no connection to Boxycharm in that way. I'm not like a big influencer who does have sort of connections like that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm very grateful to be part of the team. But trust me, I deal with my own issues, especially because I'm still a paying consumer, and I get screwed over a lot too. So I'm right there with you. But yeah, I'm giving away this entire box. Pretty much, I think, besides the face mask, everything is going into our No Waste Wednesday. So, you know what? Hey, it is what it is. I'm just prepaying for my giveaway in January. It's all good. But if I didn't receive this in PR, I'm gonna stand by what I said in my PR unboxing. Being a paying consumer, taking away the fact that I'm putting these in my No Waste Wednesday, I still think it's kind of a shitty box. It barely had makeup. It had a lot more skincare, and I don't know. It's just definitely not exciting to me. Like, it just wasn't an exciting box then in my PR, and it's still not an exciting box now. So, yeah, it is what it is. I'm excited to add these items into my No Waste Wednesday. Hopefully somebody gets a good use out of it. And this is probably going to be the quickest Boxycharm unboxing that I have ever done. It feels so good to sit here and say that I'm having a lazy day to an extent, but it just feels so good to be in my PJs, especially guys, we finally had a cold Christmas. So, we were on a freeze warning. So last night it got down to like 32 degrees, and today's high is 53 with tonight's low being 38. I'm so excited. I know that a lot of people out there are like, that's nothing. Y'all, we live here in Florida. It's so rare for us to get really cold like this. So I finally had a cold Christmas. It was so nice. And I'm really enjoying the weather right now. So I'm going to go and sit on my patio. I'm going to grab my book. I'm gonna make myself a nice hot cup of tea, and I'm just going to relax and enjoy this weather because I really do have some big videos coming up. I'm gonna film my declutter series, or I'm gonna film my declutter video, and then I want to film my makeup collection video, and then I'm gonna do the best of, the worst of, and then I'm also gonna do like this, like ranking my influencer stuff. So it's a lot of filming coming up in the next week. So I'm just going to enjoy this short video. I hope you guys enjoy it too. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the goodies of what you guys are seeing for sneak peek for next month. And yeah, I hope you guys had a beautiful Christmas. So if you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every single day in the month of Vlogmas. Make sure you guys check out my other channel. It's R for Life, where you guys get to see my wonderful adventures here in Florida with my amazing fiance, Corey. And as always, guys, I just want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye. Y'all like my little Gryffindor? I'm not rubbing my titties. I believe we're still, guys, I cannot believe we're almost here to the countdown. Good morning. They did that. Here's the reason why they did it. I'm gonna make myself a nice hot, I'm sent that way. I do know that a lot of the items